Maximizing your home's value, a guide to home appreciation. Are you curious about how to ensure your home's value is on the rise, even as time marches on? Today we'll shed light on a topic crucial for homeowners, home appreciation. Let's embark on a journey to understand the nuances of your home's value, how to calculate its appreciation, and ultimately, how to enhance it. Understanding home appreciation in real estate. First things first, what does home appreciation mean? It's the increase in your property's value over time, potentially leading to a profitable sale or increased rental income. More importantly, it boosts your home equity, opening doors to financial flexibility through loans and refinances. Home appreciation versus depreciation. While we all wish for our homes to appreciate, neglect or market downturns can lead to depreciation. Recognizing the difference and the factors at play is crucial in navigating the real estate landscape. Decoding the average home appreciation rate. You might wonder, how fast should my home appreciate? Currently, the national average hovers around a 2% monthly and a striking 14.5% yearly increase. Remember, active maintenance and renovations are key to combating the natural depreciation of your home. Factors influencing your home's value. Several factors affect home appreciation, from the ebb and flow of the housing market to the impact of interest rates and the significant value added through home improvements. Each element plays a role in determining your home's future worth. Calculating home appreciation. Calculating appreciation might seem daunting, but it's quite straightforward. By dividing the increase in your home's value by its original price and multiplying by 100, you get the appreciation percentage. Don't worry if math isn't your forte, tools like the U.S. Federal Housing Finance Agency's House Price Calculator are here to help. Boosting your home's value. So, how can you positively influence your home's appreciation? Focus on upgrades and renovations, both inside and out. Enhancing energy efficiency and expanding square footage are surefire ways to elevate your property's value and appeal. FAQs on property appreciation. Many homeowners have questions about appreciation, especially concerning annual rates and the appreciation potential of manufactured homes. It's vital to research specific to your location and understand the unique factors affecting manufactured homes, like their foundation and the land they're on. The bottom line. Investing in your property through thoughtful improvements can significantly affect its appreciation, ensuring a profitable and valuable asset for the future. Whether you're renting out, flipping, or cherishing your dream home, understanding and fostering home appreciation is key to financial success.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram @MitchellMilat or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.